In order to get back in the race, it's clear that Mitch and Mark need their trades back. A couple of days ago, they discovered they were almost $10,000 in the red. They've renegotiated some past invoices, managing to claw back most of that.
If we looked at $50 an hour, I know that's really tough, I get it. We'd spoken to our electrician and to our builders, and they were able to provide a discount on the last invoices, which assisted a lot.
But they still need to find some cash so they can hire back trades to finish next week's front yard. Perhaps Amber from Suncorp can help.
So for the front garden next week, we're estimating around the builders and carpenters around 1,500. And the electrician has said to us it's going to be around 3,000.
To complete.
Yep, there is still that final electrical bill that we need to figure out what we're going to negotiate. Do you know what your current bank balance is?
I had it on the figures that I sent through. Yeah.
So we got 56.
Yeah.
So we have a shortfall now, so around 5,000.
Right.
Yeah. We needed probably $5,000 more.
We're a week and a half to go and we want to finish. We're desperate to finish.
You had a meeting with the builder's mum on Tuesday?
We'd also spoken with Jason and his mum. She's interested in some of the furniture. She's had a look and loved it.
Oh, that's nice.
So we did a deal that said we would sell some of that to her for an agreed value, and that value would be converted into a component of cash and a component of labour.
We were getting $4,000 worth of labour, which is more labour than we needed,
Yep.
and $1,500 cash injection.
Is there a way to maybe negotiate the labour down and get more in cash?
Yep, we need to ask Jason to do a $4,000 cash component,
Yeah.
$1,500 as a labour
Yeah.
component.
Yeah.
We need to switcheroo.
If we renegotiate the deal with Jason,
Yep.
get him back in, we're going to bring the balance back up to 0 so we can finish everything.
Yep.
Yep.
Get him back in, get him working.
Yep.
Let's do that, Mark. Let's call Jason, get him down here.
We'll do that.
If Jason will come to the party on the negotiation, we will have enough budget remaining to get just the right amount of trades on site to finish the house as we want to finish it.
Just the right amount of trades to do the minimal amount to finish the house. That means just Jason and an electrician.
Hey, buddy, how are you?
How are we, boys?
Nobody else.
Where are we at?
Well, basically where we're at is we need to renegotiate the deal with you, with your mum, by you.
Yep.
You were paying $1,500 cash component, $4,000 labour.
Yep.
We need to minimise the labour.
Yep.
But we need to maximise the cash component.
Yep.
In order to have enough cash there to finish, we need to see if you are willing to do a $4,000 cash component and a $1,500 labour component.
I'll have to speak to the others because obviously, because I've been in here doing so much work over the last 3 months, a cash flow issue is massive for us at the moment.
Sure.
It's a family business.
And whilst he's on the block, he hasn't been focusing on the other jobs, so it has affected their cash flow.
So I'll certainly speak to my brother to see if we can work something out,
Yep.
for sure, and go from there. Maybe we can tell Madam to put her hand in her pocket and she can pay for it. Seems it's all for her.
Does it suit me? Do I look like a queen?
So it's up to Jason to call his mum to renegotiate the terms of the furniture deal. The idea of selling unwanted goods and chattels has taken off like wildfire across the block.
It's actually a good thing. I'm okay with the boys doing it because then they can do it. Everyone else can do it.
As long as everybody else has the opportunity to do the same thing, should they need to, I think that's fair.
I've just sold this on Marketplace, so the lady's just coming to pick it up now, which is good. So just trying to get a little bit of extra cash back in the pocket.
Everybody is selling things at the moment.
The builder's pretty interested in some of my artwork, so it's a trade-off.
Trade-off. It's a trade-off for trades.
But Mitch and Mark's hope for trade-off for trades will not happen unless Jason's mum said yes to the new deal.
Boys,
Hey, buddy.
how are we?
Just heading out to get a coffee.
OK, I'm coming with you.
Coming
So
with
we
us.
can celebrate. We're back in the game. Joanne's going to do it. We're going to get the cash injection back in. We can get the Sparky back. We can get this house compliant and get it finished.
You can have great work partners, but that doesn't result in a friendship like we've developed.
No, thank you for getting me back.
Can I tell you how much we missed you?
To walk away from this with a lasting friendship,
Let me get a jacket on. We'll go get a coffee.
what more could you ask for?